Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get these stores painted before that heavy storm comes in. All right, let's go. Let's get started. Doors are prepared, doors are ready. Let's go. Let's paint them before that winter storm comes in. That way we can get these doors out of the way. The gun I'm going to be using for that base is going to be the no-name brand Gunner. And it's from SprayGunner. There it is. All the information, it's on the description below. I love this gun. I like the way it sprays. Let's just get started. Start spraying that sealer. The sealer has been applied. It only needs one. And yes, I ran out of the black sealer, guys. But it doesn't really matter. It's exactly the same thing. The only difference is gray. But the car's black, so this will cover real quick. Try to get the sealer as close as possible to the color that you're gonna spray. The only reason is that you'll save on material. That's the only difference. But it's good. Let's just wait. So that we can prepare the paint. You saw how beautiful this spray pattern was with this gun, the no-name brand Gun by SprayGunner. Beautiful, beautiful. So now let's spray the black. There it is, first coat. Nice, straight. One thing I have noticed with this gun, the no-name gun, is that it's a little bit slower. It's a little bit slower, but it applies that paint real nice. It atomizes perfect. There it is, 3 coats. 3 coats of base. Now we're gonna start applying the clear. A lot of you wanted to see the no-name paint gun apply clear. I did not show it to you in the last video that I did the review, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna start spraying clear with this gun. Let's see how good it is. But I need to change the air cap. Okay, this is the air cap that's gonna be going in. This is for the clear. This is the black air cap. So let me just change it and mix it up and start applying. There it is. This is the cap for the clear. It's CC1X. Now the needle, it's gonna be the same one. Everything else stays the same. Just the cap is the one that's gonna change. So let's just mix up the clear. Let's see how this no-name paint gun from SprayGunner sprays the clear. There it is. Now, to tell you the truth, I don't like it. I love it. It came out looking nice. Real good gun. Real good gun. You can actually see the floor. This is the first coat of clear, guys. The very first coat of clear. Wow. Very nice. Let's apply 3 more coats. I am putting 4 coats because I am gonna flow coat it. So let's apply 3 more coats. That was 4 wet coats of clear. So can that paint gun do the job? Oh yes it can. That no-name paint gun from SprayGunner can do the job. Real nice. That's it. Let's just have it dried. It's gonna take a couple of days for it to dry. I know it's gonna get cold this coming couple of hours. I guess it's gonna start getting super cold, but it has a couple of hours to dry. But there it is, and this will be it. This will be it for this video. We're getting one step closer to finishing that 62 Impala. So thank you guys. Have a Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year. And like always, God bless.